The contemporary contour is a time of some dramatic and some dynamic world events. And we look at during this time the end of the Second World War to through a time of what was called Cold War. This was when nations were fighting with words and with innuendos, but not necessarily on the battlefield. It was still nasty, though. We found ourselves moving towards a global culture, not only economically but also in every way. We were moving towards an oil currency, and oil becomes the big medium of currency for us in this time frame. There was a tragic event, of course, on September the 11th of 2001. We call it 9/11, when the Twin Towers were tragically erased from our landscape. We talk about terrorism, and we also talk about the digital age. This is something that is coming at us, and we've been in it for some time. And there's also a great demand for rights within this time frame. So we ask, in light of all of these things, what are the next big set of events on the horizon for us? Where will we go from here?